is Pema Chudun. I came to TCV school at 2007 from Nepal. In Nepal, I am particularly weak in my own Tibetan culture. Besides, I even don't know how to speak Tibetan language properly. Because of this fact, my mother sent me here in this Tibetan school just to gain knowledge about our culture as well as religion. Our school organized a special week, that is Tibetan Week Day. It was a newly made activity this year and it was very competitive. As the bell rang, everyone started working very hard and efficient to decorate the classroom and corridor. But my feelings and imagination were all drive about tomorrow's special day and how I am going to wear my chupa. As for me, I sat down in a corner as I seems to be useless. Later, our class teacher arrived and then I jerked up with excitement. He gave me some curtain to wash and told me to make burner. I listened very carefully to my teacher and my friends. I ran down to bring some red bricks. Then I stick some brown paper on it by sellotape. Everyone started admiring me. I felt so glad as I now had a clear vision on how to make Tibetan burner. After we have the finishing touch on our studious job, it was fantastic. Obviously, I was puzzled because my classroom was filled with paintings and our own national flag, and most importantly, the altar with beautiful flowers and fruits. That evening, we had lots of fun and felt so proud of ourselves. On Tibetan Week Day, I woke up so early as I even couldn't wait to get a touch on my chupa. Unfortunately, I tried it many times, but I was hopeless. Then our home mother came and said, "Pema, today you have to promise me that you will learn to wear chupa." So I agreed. When I arrived in my classroom, everyone was wearing chupa. Our classroom looks very colorful and unique. A strong smell of incense floated in my atmosphere. Some are very shy and nervous. It is really nice to see a different environment with different uniform. At the morning assembly, I felt a bit shy to pass through the students to get on my usual line. Every students were gossiping here and there. Suddenly, we began our morning prayer with exciting voice. Then later, we all sat down and listened to the teachers who were explaining about Losar. I really listened carefully and quietly as it was so interesting, and ended up with everyone applauding and cheering. We had such a great day and it seems to be a very special day. That day, I learned about Losar, how to wear chupa and how to decorate altar in proper order.